Hello everyone. So today we are back with another case study, and this time we will let you know how we have got almost 90 plus leads with the CPA of $20 for an auto repair company. In collaboration with the auto repair company, we partnered to develop an extensive Google Ads campaign aimed at enhancing the online visibility, driving traffic, and generating leads. The primary objective was to bolster the company's internet presence and attract new clientele. So now, in terms of the client background, our client in the auto repair market is a well-established business known for delivering professional repair and maintenance services for commercial trucks, with a reputation for competence and reliability thanks to a team of skilled experts and state-of-the-art facilities. The clients sought to overcome tough competition in the area by increasing their online presence and attracting fresh customers. This is where Softtrix, a digital marketing agency, stepped in to assist in crafting a comprehensive Google AdWords campaign, ultimately boosting the online visibility and driving more leads and revenue for the business. So now, in terms of the challenges that we have faced, a significant challenge was effectively reaching the right audience, given that the auto repair services are specifically targeted at truck drivers and fleet managers. So now, in terms of the approach, the step one is the research and analysis. Softtrix conducted thorough research to identify the campaign's target and the most effective keywords. By analyzing data from the company's website, competitors, and the industry trends, they formulated a comprehensive strategy for optimal results. The next is the audience refinement. A crucial adjustment made by our agency was refining the client's target audience. Our extensive research aimed to identify a more precise and relevant audience, optimizing the conversion rate by analyzing the search behavior, demographic data, and consulting the client's sales team for some more insights. Step 3 was actually the campaign setup. Softtrix meticulously designed a Google AdWords campaign with search ads, implementing conversion tracking and goals to monitor the progress, from ad types to placements, targeting to budget allocation. The campaign setup involved a rigorous approach to ensure comprehensive coverage. The step 4 is the ad copy and design, crafting engaging and language showcasing the company's expertise and visually appealing commercials with high quality graphics. Softtrix aimed to distinguish the client in the industry. The ad language and design were optimized for maximum engagement and also the relevance, focusing on generating high CTRs and the conversions. The step 5 is the keyword optimization. Softtrix optimized the campaign keywords to ensure the ads appeared in the relevant search results. Continuous monitoring and adjustment of the keywords were undertaken to enhance the ad performance and minimize the wasted ad spend. The keyword optimization strategy involved the rigorous data analysis and constant experimentation with the new keywords. The step 6 is targeting and the segmentation. Utilizing targeting and the segmentation, Softtrix aimed to reach the most relevant audience for the campaign. Specific targeting of truck drivers and fleet managers in the company's service area ensured the ads reached the most qualified leads. Targeting and segmentation were continuously optimized based on the data analysis and insights to maximize the campaign success and the return on investment. The next is the results and impact. The Google AdWords campaign yielded significant results for the truck repair company, generating over 90 leads and a 45% increase in website traffic. The company experienced a 20% increase in revenue from their new customers, showcasing the effectiveness of the data-driven approach and the high level of expertise and attention to detail provided by Softtrix. So, if you have any similar campaigns running, or you do not have any campaign running, please contact us through a WhatsApp number on the top right corner. We will be able to get in touch with you as soon as possible, and will be able to suggest you the best plan of action so that you can bring your business to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.